Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a couple of questions I have received about the battery life. And what I mean by battery life is how long does a battery actually last in a common laptop? How much time should I expect, or how many months, how many years should I expect to have a usable battery in my computer? With more and more laptops that have the battery that is generally inside the laptop that you're unable to actually change. Unlike the past, a lot of laptops had a removable battery. A lot of laptops today don't because they are thinner and it's making it more difficult for the manufacturer to actually have a removable battery. So a lot of you out there are wondering, okay, so the battery can be changed unless I get it serviced. How long will this last? Batteries, lithium-ion batteries made today are actually much better than the first generations that were many years ago. That means that if you take good care of them, you will have years of use of your laptop's battery. The length of life of your battery will depend on how you use it. And that is very important because most of the people that use it have a different way of using it. And some are still using or still thinking in an old way where you got to discharge the battery completely, which is totally false. Never do that on lithium-ion batteries. So when you purchase your laptop brand new, of course, you've got a beautiful, nice, brand new battery. And the performance you'll get out of it will depend, like I said, on how you use it. How do you use it to make sure the battery is going to be or last the longest possible lifetime? First of all, when you actually use it on power, a lot of people in the past said, well, I remove my battery when I'm on power. You should not. It's totally useless to do so. Take the battery off and put it somewhere else. Batteries, lithium-ion batteries, are not charging or overcharging when they are fully charged. They have actually a little chip that checks the battery voltage and makes sure that it doesn't charge if it's not below a certain level. So you don't have to worry about overcharging. That doesn't happen. That happened in the 90s when we were using nickel cadmium rechargeable batteries within the laptops. Second, if you use your laptop on the battery every day, don't hesitate to put it back on charge every time you can. You don't and should not lower the battery below 20% every day. This will shorten the life of your battery a lot. If you do deep cycles every day, you are lucky if you get more than 1 year of use of your battery. It will actually go bad much faster. These batteries are not meant to be used like that. It's okay if from time to time it happens because you're using your laptop, you need it for some reason, you forgot the charging cable. Okay, but remember that doing deep cycle discharges actually ruin your battery much more. So if you use it, your battery's down to 80%, you can plug in. There's no memory effect. It does not exist on lithium-ion batteries. You can actually plug them in and charge them immediately when you have the possibility or the capability to do so. And at the same time, if you ever need your laptop on battery again, your battery is always fully charged. If you do small cycles like that and recharge every time that you can, your battery is actually going to last a pretty good amount of time. Typically, most of my laptops that I've used, I've had a battery last more, in general, on an average, about 3 years, and even more on some, depending on what I was doing. Today's batteries are even better, so expect 3 to 5 years of use if you're careful. Don't discharge to the minimum too much, and basically just keep them plugged in. It doesn't matter if your laptop's plugged in for 2 months. It's not going to ruin the battery. The battery will recharge only if needed, and it will recharge only what it needs. It doesn't, like I said, overcharge. That does not exist. Lithium-ion batteries need very strict charging cycles because they could explode easily if not maintained properly. So prefer using your laptop or computer in in small cycles. You use it, your battery's down 90% or 80% or at 70%. You can plug in. And if you need to use your battery again in the day, well, you do little cycles like that. It's much better than doing a deep cycle every day. That will ruin the battery a lot more. Typically, you can expect at least 3 years of battery life easily on a laptop if you are actually following these rules, and possibly even more. Last but not least, can a battery of a laptop be changed? Well, it is serviceable by the company or by a tech company that can actually change the internal battery of your laptop. The best is to contact the manufacturer of your laptop and ask how to where they should actually you should actually bring your laptop to have the battery serviced if you need a new battery. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.